Hey guys, Jack back here with TrailRax. We're here on the trail, and I know some of you guys are wondering how to use our shovel and axe mount and how do we mount it. In today's video, we're going to explain that, and we're going to show you how to mount it on a JL TrailRax. Alright guys, I'm just going to show you what comes in the box. First, obviously, you're going to get the shovel and axe mount. It's going to come pre-assembled just like this, and then you're going to get a hardware bag. It's going to have everything you need to mount it. You're going to get these rubber gaskets, and I'll show you later on how to use these, and also same thing with these foam pads. You're going to get 3 of these. These are going to be the tools that we're going to be using. You're just going to need a simple wrench here. Ratcheting is preferred. Extension mount to get to those bolts that are a little deep, and then an 11 mil to get to those bolts. Also on the back of the mounting plate, you're going to want to use an adjustable wrench so that both sides can go. Obviously, you can take your universal mounting plate like we have off of the Jeep JL TrailRax just to make it a little easier to mount. You can mount this universal mounting plate on anywhere of our racks. Obviously, we're going to be doing it here on the JL TrailRax though. Awesome. Once you guys get all your hardware out, we're just going to be, first of all, just make sure you put one of the washers on all of the bolts here, and all you're going to do is you're going to loosen these knobs there on the side. It's going to unrelease on both sides, and then it's going to expose these slots here that you're going to be able to use to mount. Once you have that exposed, bring over your universal mounting plate, line it up. It's going to fold right in these little lines here and line up perfectly. Obviously, you're going to have some tools and some weight in here, so get it as center as possible and make sure it is lined up and ready to go. Once you have that and get all your bolts with the washers, we'll slide them through. On the other side, we're going to get washers and the nylon locking nuts. Alright, once you guys have the bolts and nuts tightened down, time to move on to the second bag, which has the rubber gaskets. These are going to prevent any of your tools from rocking back and forth, and it's going to create some grip for those handles so they don't rattle around on the trail. Best way to do this is you're going to have this rubber tube on the inside. You're welcome to remove it or keep it, up to you, but on here, you're just going to squeeze this in. It is a little tough at first because it is metal inside, but it will form to the indent. And do it again for the second one, and you're going to continue to do it on all 4 of the U-shaped holes. Alright, once you got all 4 of these placed in, now we move on to the foam pads, and these kind of are optional. These are for more of the tools that have a thinner handle, and to prevent the tools going back and forth, these are just another security. On the back side here is going to have a slick adhesive, so you're just going to peel back this protective layer, and it's going to expose the adhesive layer. Make sure you have a clean surface right here, and it's just going to go right on the back, in line where the tool is going to be. Place it right down there, and you're good to go for that side. Same thing on the other side. Remove the protective layer, expose the adhesive, and right in line where the tool is going to go. Alright, once you guys got that mounted back up to where you have your universal mounting plate, we're going to be untightening these guys here. It's going to open the gate here on both sides. Right here on top, we got a GP Factor shovel. It's going to just slide right in on here. Obviously, we got that foam pad. It's a little thinner of a handle. So we're going to clamp that guy down, push because of the foam, and then tighten down. Alright guys, this axe right here has got a thicker handle, so in this case we removed the foam piece, and we're also going to remove this. This won't remove the ability for it to stop sliding. This will just allow it to fit the handle. So this just has a little bit more room to fit in there. And then slide that guy in. Again, tighten the right side for the bottom, left side for the top. And then once you have that in, there's a little hole right here that you can fit a lock in so it's not stolen, and you're all set. Alright guys, if you have any more questions or concerns, go ahead, drop them in the comments and let us know. You're also welcome to email us at info@TrailRax or give us a call at 385-777-2601. We'll be happy to help you.